Hello guys, good afternoon, Marlon here. Today I just get done to window cleaning, interior and exterior of this residence. The good thing is you only ask for a window cleaning in the back side of the house. Basically the lanai, outside the lanai, because they have a lots of slidings and big windows here. One of this right here, you can see that. Pretty much it. And my project right here. It looks clean now, much more better. And through that here, it's all looking much better, cleaner. And what's right there? Yeah, you know, all done alright right here. So inside now and talk to the customer if they are very happy for what I did. So don't mind guys, and hopefully in the future they will ask me to do a pressure wash on this pole case deck around here. So yep, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching and following my page. I'll see you guys later. Thank you very much.